Hello, wonderful humans. Happy Halloween. First things first, I hope you all have a wonderful day, wonderful time celebrating. If you celebrate, if you don't, well, you probably should, because who doesn't want candy? Like Halloween candy. Hi, hello. Anyways, as promised, I am back again with another video, sort of like my last one. I don't know what we are going to do with it exactly, because the last one I kind of had some idea. This one I'm kind of, I got nothing. First things first. Yes, I hate makeup. I hate makeup so much, and I'm going to hate it on my face. So we're gonna try and do this a little bit simpler and less aggressive so that I don't hate my face with the makeup on it. That's pretty much the only thing I got planned. I have slippers on and I'm very happy about it. Can you see them? Da-da-da-da. That's a thing. So I already put makeup on today, like a little bit, like normal makeup, like hi, this is just my face makeup. And apparently I didn't learn from last time because I didn't film earlier and it's really bright in here again. So you think I would learn. But we are going to do this a similar layout as last time, where you just get my random babbling sometimes, where we do one look that is more simple and more everyday basic kind of thing. Throw it on with, well, for me, I'm gonna put on just like a regular white dress and outfit. Do I know where any more of my makeup is this time? No, I absolutely do not. Yeah. If it were up to me, throw on a little bit of lip chap and this would be my Halloween costume. I'm not really sure how I'm starting. I'm gonna just do like a basic, like, sort of similar to last time where we just do like a cat eye. I don't know why I like the cat eye. It's probably because I'm part Asian. So because I'm part Asian, it like kind of just like sits nicely on my face. And then just like a basic lip. Like this is gonna be the most simple look ever for the first one for sure. My brushes all suck too because I don't use my makeup. Weird how that works. Okay, anyways, turn on a bit of music and I'm gonna get going. Can I do this without blinding myself? Today was actually a very good day for me. And I don't know how, if any of you guys feel the same way, where sometimes you just randomly get these like bouts of days where you're like, all of a sudden you feel so like active and like you just feel ambitious, like just good. And that's kind of how my day today has been. So I've kind of done quite a bit up until now. And now we're putting makeup on my face, and that's ambitious as well in any capacity when it has to do with me. I'm gonna have to take my slippers off and I'm sad. Ta-da, we're done. One line. It looks awful. This is not a tutorial. Yeah, I'm gonna put some music on. Have some vibes. Where's my speaker? Hi, I'm an angel. Okay, so here's the thing. This is meant to be a simple look, but I feel like any makeup on me just looks like a lot. Maybe I'm just putting a lot on. Maybe that's actually a me thing. But I did most of my stuff, and I don't want to redo my lashes too much, because if I redo them too much right now, I feel like this look sucks though. And then putting on fake lashes for the next look is going to be a little aggressive. What was I doing? Oh my gosh. I think the second look will look better, just like the last time where the first one kind of sucked. Ta-da! This is my face. Ah! Check out those sunbeams. Ta-da! I don't look angelic at all. I look like some kind of like evil angel. Like evil. I look evil. I freaking look like Cleopatra. That's what I did. Let's do a an outfit reveal with this one. Okay, so update. This look sucks. I totally botched this. This was awful. I just grabbed this dress out of my wardrobe, so that's what that is. Like, it's just like a normal ass dress. I feel like I was just not made for makeup. Okay, so that did not go how we had planned. Is it gonna go any better now? Well, who really knows? I'm going to attempt to do something that I think I've done once before, or it could have just been in a dream. I'm not really sure. I don't completely recall. I should probably start with eyeshadow though. So, feelings, emotions, stuff. How are you guys doing? Are you having a great week? I'm having the most mediocre day of my life now because I tried makeup. Am I the only one that thinks that I look better with less makeup on. Like, I swear. How do people do this every single day? I don't understand. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, well, all right. What the frick am I doing to my face? I never realized just how much I looked like a Bratz doll until I started doing these videos and putting on makeup for Halloween. I think I've got the face of a Bratz doll. Like, this is wild. Oh, I forgot my wings. Alright, so this is my attempt at an angel look. So that is all I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. These videos are rough for me. I do not love putting on makeup. It's not turning out as bad as I thought. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it, if you think I did alright, if you like this kind of video, or what you would like to see. Other than that, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can see all of the content that I put out, and turn on your post notifications so that you're the first one to see when I put new videos out. Typically I post on Mondays and Thursdays. Today was a special day because it's Halloween, so happy Halloween to all of you. I hope you're having a ton of fun. Please be safe out there. Let me know whatever you'd like in the comments down below. I do read all the comments always. I'm gonna end this video now, so smash that like and I'll see you guys next time.